11 DIY home remedies for head lice using tea tree oil. Have the head lice been bothering you for a long time now? You are not alone. Millions of people, especially 25% of school-going kids, are affected by head lice every year. Head-to-head contact, using things of an infected person are the main reasons of head lice spreading from one person to another. As head lice reproduce and mature very quickly, it is impossible to get rid of them in a single sitting. They can survive in wet hair and don't get washed out as they stick tightly to hair strands. A great deal of money is spent on chemical treatments for head lice. The worst part is, head lice have become resistant to most of the chemical treatments available in the market. Also, the ingredients present in these treatments are neurotoxic. If you want to know more about the dangers of chemical lice treatments, click here. Instead of resorting to such treatments, trust natural ingredients like tea tree oil, rubbing alcohol, neem oil and mayonnaise to treat the head lice without any side effects. Here, let's learn about how tea tree oil or melaleuca oil helps to kill the head lice, how to use it and other precautions to take care of. Read on. Does tea tree oil kill lice infestation? For head lice, tea tree oil contains two major elements, 1,8-cineol and terpinol. These two elements have insecticidal properties due to inhibition of acetylcholinesterase. 1% of tea tree oil solution is found to combat head lice by 100% with the time of 30 minutes. 2 For nits or lice eggs, the nits are strongly attached to the hair shaft by the mother head lice. The gummy texture that connects nits and hair shaft is very strong. This gummy texture will be dissolved by the application of tea tree oil, which makes it easy to remove while combing. As per a study published by Parasitology Research states that tea tree oil can kill head lice in both nymph and adult stages. And it also showed promising results in preventing the eggs from hatching. 3 For reinfestation, the strong smell of tea tree repels the head lice from transferring from one to another. This is very helpful in preventing the infestation when a person or child in your house or class is already affected by head lice. As per the study presented by International Journal of Dermatology, tea tree oil has shown results in repelling lice. 4 How to use tea tree oil for lice? There are different ways of using tea tree oil for treating head lice. Here is how to mix tea tree oil for head lice with different ingredients to make it super effective. You can choose any remedy given below as per your preference. Note: using tea oil for lice and treating them in one sitting is not possible. You have to try the process regularly until you get rid of them completely. 1. Tea tree oil with shampoo. Add 10 drops of tea tree oil into your shampoo or conditioner. Apply it on the scalp and along the hair. Tie and cover your hair with shower cap. Leave the application 10 to 15 minutes. For adults, you can leave overnight. Comb your hair thoroughly to remove the dead lice. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Repeat the process regularly. 2. Tea tree oil spray. Fill an empty spray bottle with 1 ounce of water. Add 4 drops of tea tree oil into it. Close the lid and shake well to let the ingredients combine together. Spray the solution onto the scalp and along the hair. To remove head lice, spritz the solution before going to bed. In the morning, dampen the hair slightly and comb through it thoroughly. Repeat the process regularly until you don't find any head lice. To prevent or repel head lice, spray the solution daily in the morning or during night. Make sure to spritz entire head. Note: spray the diluted tea tree oil on the furniture, stuffed toys, clothing and carpets to eliminate any head lice residing on them. 3. Tea tree oil for head lice. Tea tree oil alone can be used to treat head lice, however you have to use it with caution. As it very strong in nature, it should never be applied directly. You have to dilute it properly with water or carrier oil to avoid burning sensation and other discomforts. Apply diluted tea tree oil on the scalp and along the hair before going to sleep. Leave the application overnight. Place a towel on the pillow to avoid staining. The next morning, comb your hair to remove the dead lice. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner which contain tea tree oil. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a week depending on the severity of head lice infestation. 4. Tea tree oil with apple cider vinegar. Into a spray bottle, add 5 milliliters of tea tree oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of shampoo and 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Close the lid and shake the bottle well to incorporate the ingredients. Spray the solution onto the scalp and along the hair. Tie your hair and cover it with a shower cap. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Wash your hair normally with shampoo and conditioner. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times in a week until the head lice are completely eliminated. 5. Tea tree oil, rosemary or eucalyptus. As per a research published in Phytotherapy Research, eucalyptus has shown prominent results in killing head lice as it contains antiseptic properties. Rosemary contains insecticidal and antiseptic properties which help to deal with head lice. Combine 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil and 1 teaspoon of either rosemary or eucalyptus oil. Pour this solution into your shampoo and conditioner and mix well. Now, you can use them regularly to wash your hair. Repeat the process 3 times in a week. 6. Tea tree oil with coconut oil and shampoo. The viscosity of this combination suffocates the head lice to breathe, feed and reproduce. This makes them impossible to live and eventually die. As per a clinical study, coconut oil has shown effective results over the commercial treatments containing permethrin. 5. Combine 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil, 1 ounce of natural shampoo, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply the solution to the scalp and hair. Cover your hair with either a towel or a shower cap. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Comb your hair thoroughly to remove the dead lice. Wash your hair normally with shampoo and conditioner. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a week. 7. Tea tree oil and lavender oil. Lavender oil has natural anti-insect repellent properties. The combination of lavender oil and tea tree oil act as suffocation agent, which makes it hard for head lice to breathe. Combine 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil and 1/2 teaspoon of lavender oil. Apply the solution onto the scalp and hair. Leave the application for an hour or overnight. Comb your hair thoroughly to remove head lice and wash your hair normally. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times in a week. 8. Tea tree oil and olive oil. The insecticidal properties of olive oil kill the head lice. The combination of tea tree oil and olive oil makes it hard for head lice to crawl on the scalp. Mix few drops of tea tree oil into 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the solution onto the scalp and hair. Leave the